Good evening. It's already 8:30, Monday, July 17th. It's just so bright. Yeah, look at here, so bright here. We're waiting for another rainstorm. It seems like it rained to other place again. We were waiting for one this afternoon, and the rain didn't show up. But look at the evening sky. It's just so bright. Beautiful clouds. Look at that. Love Missouri clouds. Just so pretty. Lord, send us rain. We still need rain. Still very dry. Now it's just so bright because yeah, the other side is I guess is the clouds. It's the raining clouds there. It's raining over there again. Just like this afternoon. It's missing us again. We need more rain here, Lord. Send us rain. It's rain in Fair Play again, and in those places, yeah. Kind of missed Bolivar. Okay. There's dark sky over there. Yeah. Cicadas are singing, just so beautiful. Send us rain, Lord. Send us rain, please. Send us rain. It's beautiful. Love the evening clouds. So pretty. Missouri clouds are gorgeous. So beautiful. Such beautiful clouds. Yeah, so beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful.